Now we are going to start from blood vessels of the heart. Blood vessels are arteries, vein, capillary, and blood vessels of the heart are pulmonary vena cava, pulmonary veins, pulmonary trunk, aorta, coronary artery, and coronary veins. So these are the blood vessels of what? Of heart. So blood vessels is general arteries, vein, capillary. Blood vessels of heart are these things what I said, nearly 6. Now, first thing is vena cava. So the important point which I wrote should be memorized, and very important points, and write down in your book. So vena cavas are two large veins. Again, very important point. There are two large veins bringing deoxygenated blood. Vena cava are veins, two large veins bringing deoxygenated blood to what? To where? To right article. So the vena cava is of two types, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. So as the word suggests, superior means eye. They bring the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body. And inferior, as the word suggests, low, inferior. They bring deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body, such as legs, and inferior such as heads, shoulders. Okay, this is clear. A very important point. Remember, vena cavas are two large veins, two large veins bringing deoxygenated blood to the right artery, and two types you need to memorize. Next is pulmonary veins. Here pulmonary veins, they bring the oxygenated blood from right and left lungs. Okay, again very important point. Pulmonary veins bring the oxygenated blood from right and left lungs. Again, pulmonary veins brings oxygenated blood, which you need to remember, not deoxygenated, oxygenated blood from right and left lungs. And pulmonary veins open into left article. Remember these things and your marks will be more. Next is pulmonary trunk. So next is pulmonary trunk. So these pulmonary trunks arises from the right ventricle, which you need to remember. They carry the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. For what? For oxygenation. Very easy topic. Pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary trunk arises in right ventricle. They carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. For what? For oxygenation. And you need to read it. Okay. By explaining you cannot understand, you cannot remember, but once you read you will remember everything and it will be clear. Next is aorta. Aorta, as we know, this is the largest gland, that largest artery. Now I want to discuss. So next is aorta. As I told in the previous only, the left ventricle open into aorta, right? So right, the left article open into left ventricle, and left ventricle open into aorta. I told this, right? So as I told in the previous lectures, so aorta again open into left ventricle. Leaves means they comes out from the left ventricle. Means from here they comes out. They carry the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body through branches. Very important, aorta, and very simple topic too. And aorta leaves the left ventricle, which is again important point, carrying oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, as we know, and through branches. Next is coronary artery and coronary veins. Next is coronary artery. So it is the blood vessel that distributes oxygenated blood to the wall of the heart. Its branches arises from aorta. Simple topic and very two important points. Coronary artery, as we know, this is the blood vessels. As the word suggests, artery, we can remember that it is the blood vessels that distributes the oxygenated blood to the wall of heart. Its branch arises from the aorta. Next, moving to the coronary veins. So you should revise this to understand this. If I say you cannot understand, you can read this. So the next is coronary veins. They bring back the deoxygenated blood back. Okay, you should not tell they bring the deoxygenated blood. They bring back the deoxygenated blood from the walls of heart, and pour into the opening of right ventricle. Very easy topic. They bring the deoxygenated blood from the wall of the heart and pour into the right article. Remember these all. By finishing this, we have completed all the blood vessels of the heart. Please read this. you cannot remember once I say, revise this video again and again, read what I have written, everything, right? Read everything and you can learn from this. Thank you.